Good morning. This video lecture is for class 7th, subject English, PC Ren Grammar, chapter 19, sentence analysis 2. And this is lecture 1 of the same. We are going to cover the entire topic in one lecture only. The topic is very easy, and as you people have already done sentence analysis 1, it will be more easy for you people to understand what is there in sentence analysis 2. It is just an extension of sentence analysis 1. So without wasting our time, let's quickly get into the contents of the video lecture. Moving ahead. The contents that will be covered in this video lecture will be enlargement of the object, the complement, analysis of simple sentences, classwork followed by homework. It's mandatory to do the homework. Moving ahead with the first slide, that is enlargement of the object. As you people already know what is the enlargement of the subject and extension of predicate, right? Same way we have enlargement of the object. So to know more about it, let's move to the first slide. Enlargement of the object. I think with the word object, it's very clear that object is a thing, right? Object is a thing. Moving ahead, read the sentences. First sentence, she writes her copybook neatly. So she here is the subject, writes is the verb, her copybook neatly. Neatly is the, her copybook neatly is a complete predicate, right? But can you see the word copybook? Copybook is a object, right? Moving ahead. In the above sentence, writes verb, neatly extension of the predicate, and copybook is the object. As I told you earlier also, in the sentence, she writes her copybook neatly. She is what? About what are we talking? So she is the subject. Doing word, that is a verb. So writes is a verb. Her copybook neatly. Neatly is the extension of the predicate. And copybook is the object. So the thing about what we are talking is the object. Moving ahead, the word her which goes with the object copybook is called in analysis the enlargement of the object. Okay, so along with the word copybook, we can see that there is a word here, her. So this word her is the enlargement of the object. Clear to everyone? So she writes her copybook neatly. In that, copybook is the object and her, which is accompanying copybook, is the enlargement of the object. Clear? So shall we move to the next slide? Okay. Moving ahead with the next slide. The complement. This is very easy to understand, children. The complement. I'll quickly read some examples for you all. Read the sentence. Ram Singh is a soldier. Okay, Ram Singh is a subject. Ram Singh is the subject, right? Is a verb and a soldier is a complement. Okay, moving ahead to the next example. He became angry. In that, he is the subject, became is the verb and angry is a complement. Clear? Moving ahead. Notice that the complement is a noun or an adjective or a pronoun. So remember that complement is a noun or an adjective or a pronoun. Is the complement clear to everyone? Great. Moving ahead. Analysis of simple sentences. We had done analysis of simple sentences part 1 and this is part 2. And in part 2, we have object and the complement to understand. In sentence analysis 1, we had done about the enlargement of the subject and extension of the predicate. So here we have covered the two topics, that is object and the complement. Moving with the first example, my little brother has learned to read. So what is my here? My little is the enlargement of the subject. Brother, it is the main naming word. So brother will come under subject word. Has learned, it is the verb. And object is to read. So it will come under the heading to read. Here to is the enlargement of the object in case if there is an option to mark the enlargement of the object. Clear to everyone? Moving ahead, the jury found him guilty. So what is the main subject word here? Jury. So it will come under the heading subject word. Then the word found, it is a doing word. Yes, it will come under the heading verb. And when we come to the word him, it is the object. The jury found him. Him is the object and guilty is the complement. As I told you, an adjective, noun, pronoun, they will be complement. So the jury found him guilty. The is the enlargement of the subject. Jury is the subject word. Found is the verb. Him is the object and guilty is the complement. Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Moving ahead with the next slide. Classwork. We'll be doing exercise 1 on page number 107, exercise 2 on page number 108 and exercise 3 on page number 109. This all we will be covering in the class. Clear to everyone? This chapter is very easy as this is divided into two parts, sentence analysis 1 and sentence analysis 2. We have already covered sentence analysis and we are going to cover sentence analysis 2 in this video lecture and which has only object and complement to understand. Okay, so now moving ahead with the next slide, that is homework. We will be doing exercise 4 and 5 on page number 110, exercise 6 on page 111. Okay, I want everyone to do the homework and we shall be discussing the answers in the class. Clear to everyone? Okay, moving ahead. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you people have understood sentence analysis too. Thank you. Have a great day.